Teraz sa vrátil k celej situácii Simon Hooper.
Takuma Asano, il est puissant aussi. Regardez la course.
Oh, what a mistake. Salah there to pass. An absolute gift for Liverpool from Thibaut Courtois. He cannot believe what he's just done.
It's fine, you're allowed to do that. That's what you're. He's having his laugh and he's saying, "There, get off."
Para que saque la roja. Ahí vamos a ver, es lucha canaria, lucha libre. Ahí vemos a Ferran cómo le va a intentar agarrar de los pelos a Savic.
Both goalkeepers now guilty of the error. And just like that, it's 2-2 with 10 minutes to go in the first half. Courtois at one end and now Alisson at the other. And Vinicius...
Immaculate intervention from Milenkovic, but it's come to Vinicius Junior, who slipped on an invisible banana skin.
It wasn't good enough in that moment.
Oh, challenge coming in here. Williams down in the area, cleared away. That could have been.
Pas déséquilibré son équipe, Aliou Cissé.
Ouais. Il trouve que ça fonctionne bien parce que le travail défensif est important. Que c'est lui qui a tout fait.
Oh là là, mais même Tite, ils ont même converti Tite à la danse.
Tino, here come Ghana. Great chance. Ayew! Oh, they've got a second. Jordan Ayew. Time is running out. There's Messi. Messi wants it again. Lloris in the way. Was it off the line or over the line? The referee's had a look at the watch. Well, the referee has pointed to the middle and said goal.
Even Harry Kane's been dragged back into the penalty area here. points early.
Und die Wiederholung zeigt, Stefania fängt die Flanke von Rossipal mit beiden Händen quasi ab. Bitter für Mannheim, hier hätte es Elfmeter geben müssen.
And he has to be careful here. He's got himself into a real pickle, and Alvarez has added to the Argentinian advantage. Australia with egg.
And winning a throw.
Look at that. Modric covering, Kovacic chasing, Perisic following in.
Nice try.
You might fancy it from here, Rudiger.
Neymar. Makes a point of it to then hold him back.
Aleksander Mitrovic penaltu premienia. Ale je otázne, či sa nebude opakovať.
Deal was there, just over his head. El Neni. Smith Rowe. No, he can't give that. De Gea was down. Goals given. Wow, what controversy. Well, it's just passing.
Emre Can naruszył prawo. Ух ты. Marquinhos полез.
He took his medicine. Yeah, he did. Now, Muller. He's going. He's off. It's 10 aside.